Hello, everybody. This is Chris, Chump Change Production. Today, we're gonna talk about how to mine from CoinPot at Bitcoin. You can mine Bitcoin, Dashcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, all for free from CoinPot. All you gotta do is go and register. Just use my referral link. If not, it's still fine. As you can see, I just started this yesterday. All I got is 1,530 Litecoin Satashis. I think I got them in like 12, 14 hours. Because again, I just started this yesterday. But again, you can mine any of these coins for free. I'm targeting Litecoin because Litecoin is supposed to get up to like 5,000 by the end of the year. So some people predict even more, and it's easier to get the threshold faster than it is with Bitcoin. All you gotta do is go to blockchain, set up a blockchain wallet, and once you set up a blockchain wallet, you'll be able to withdraw it once you meet your balance criteria for the site with the Litecoin, and you just implement it right here. You click on Litecoin, you go to withdraw Litecoin, and you just put all that in, and they release your funds in 48 hours. Now, I did some research on this. One of my friends told me about it, which I found out yesterday. His name's Sean. Thanks, Sean, for telling me about this. But me and my brother are about to get into mining as well. Everything that me or him talk about usually is him talking to you guys. We both be doing research. We're not trying to make money on nobody. We got our own thing going on, like coin exchanges. Now we implementing this as well. We were doing mining a long time ago, but we stopped doing it. Now we're back doing it again. You also may want to check out some other mining sites where you can mine Electroneum at for free as well. Electroneum is about to have their app live on the phone for all the Android users. They just signed the deal, working on a deal with Samsung. So that's just more information for you guys to think about. But if I was you, I would definitely get into this because it's free and you meet the threshold real quick with certain coins, especially Dogecoin. How many Satashis is Dogecoin? I believe my brother said Dogecoin is maybe like 60, somewhere around there. So you'll be able to get your Dogecoins out quick because it's only like 60 Satashis. Now you see on the screen, I got again 1,530 Litecoin Satashis, like 14, 15 hours, whatever. And I just implemented, you see deposit, withdraw Litecoin, convert Litecoin, mine Litecoin. So to mine it, you want to click on this, mine Litecoin. And when you click that, it takes you here. You see it right here. It's mine. Yeah, mine is actually on the lowest settings, guys, right now because I got a lot going on with my PC. But you actually can go into the settings and put it on higher usages. Like you can put it on medium or high computer usage or very high computer usage. Earn more. And you also can change the threads as well. So it's just something to think about for everybody that's like broke and don't have the money. Because everybody's trying to come up. It's an easy come up, but you still have to strategize. And again, everything that comes out from Chump Change Production, I'm just going to end with this. Do your own research. We're not nobody's financial advisors. Do your own research. Thank you and have a good day. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.